Today's Google Classroom is all about commas, and we're going to be using commas in a series. So when we list things, so like when your mom goes to the store, she makes a list of all the things that she needs. Well, we can do that in a sentence too. Let's look at our first example. I went to the store to get apples, bananas, and carrots. Now, I just listed 3 items in that sentence. If I have 3 or more items in a sentence, I need to separate them using commas. The commas are going to tell me where to breathe, and it's also going to help my brain recognize that there are more than 2 or 3 things. So let's read this again. I went to the store to get apples, bananas, and carrots. So the first thing I need to do is think about what is being listed in this sentence. I know apples, bananas, and carrots are the 3 things that she's going to go and get. So I'm going to use my comma to separate those. Apples, comma, bananas, comma, and carrots. Now, I put a remember screen on the first part of your Google Classroom, and this says remember. If you see the word and or the word or, that's going to tell you to stop. I don't need any more commas after those special words and or. So let's read it again. I went to the store to get apples, bananas, and there's that magic word, and tells me to stop. So I'm going to stop using my commas, and carrots. So I have 3 things listed and 2 commas. I'll always have 1 less comma than the number of things I've listed. Now, if you're doing these sentences by yourself and you're ready to turn it into me, and you can't seem to figure out a word or read the sentence on your own, I've put a little link down here in the corner. It's a little video. Now, this video is only for you to listen to. It's not really for you to watch. It's just me reading the sentence to you. So if I was working on my own and I couldn't really read the sentence, I would click down here on the play button and it would read it to me. So let's do one more together. She wanted cookies, cakes. Let's read that again. I messed up. She wanted cookies, cake, and pretzels for her party. So the 3 things she's listing for her party are cookies, cake, and pretzels. So I'm going to separate those using my comma. I know my first item is cookies, so I put my comma after cookies. Cake, put my comma after cake, and there's that magic word, and tells me to what? To stop using my commas. So I'm going to stop with my commas and pretzels for her party. Now remember, if you need help reading this sentence, you can just click down here on this play button and it'll read the sentence to you. When you're done with all of your slides, make sure you turn it in to your teacher.